Please make sure to subscribe to our channel, that is Mwalimu Hassan channel, and comment, share, and don't forget the like. Finally, make sure you click the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to watch our videos that we upload to our channel. Today we're going to look at the first topic in Form 3, that is quadratic expressions and equations. And the first topic we're going to look at is factorization of quadratic expression. If we recall, you must have learned in Form 2 quadratic expression and equation, and you have learned how to factorize quadratic expression. So in this subtopic, we are going to look at how we can factorize quadratic expressions, and we will start with the first example. That is the first example: x squared plus 6x plus 9. So we have to ask ourselves, how can we factorize this kind of expression? So we can use a product and sum method. As you have been taught, quadratic expressions take the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is the coefficient of x squared, b the coefficient of x, and c is a constant. So to get the product, we have to multiply the value of a and the value of c. Then the sum will be the value of b. So to get the product, we get the value of a here, where the value of a is 1 times c, the constant is 9. So we're going to get 1 times 9, that is 9. Then the sum, we said, is the value of b. In this case, the value of b is 6. So we have to look for two numbers. Such that when we multiply, we get 9, and when we add, we get 6. So we can find those two numbers by factoring out the product. So 9 divided by 3, we have 3. 3 divided by 3, we have 1. Now when you multiply 3 times 3, we have 9. When you add 3 plus 3, then we get 6. So the two numbers required are 3 and 3. So we substitute these two numbers in the value of b. Therefore, we come and say x squared plus, instead of saying 6x, we write these two values. So we have 3x plus 3x plus 9. Now, what is common in the first two terms? As you can see here, we have x and here we have x. So x is common, we factor out x. X squared divided by x, we have x. 3x divided by x, we have 3. What is common in the second two terms? Then we have 3 here, and then 9 is also divisible by 3. So we factor out 3. 3x divided by 3, we have x. 9 divided by 3, we have 3. Good. So we add these two. We add those two numbers. So we have x plus 3. Since these two factors are equal, we just take 1, x plus 3. Now, as you can see, these two factors are equal. The two factors are equal. And if they are equal, that means the expression x squared plus 6x plus 9 is a perfect square. Okay, so we are going to have a perfect square if the two factors are equal. What happens if the two factors are not equal? Then if the two factors are not equal, that means the expression is not a perfect square. So that's how you are supposed to factorize an expression and tell whether the expression is perfect square or not perfect square. So let us stop there, and thank you very much.